Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could check for the installed updates in your Windows 11. To do that, just click on the Windows button or in your keyboard or just the Windows logo appearing in your screen and type Control Panel. Next step, click on the Control Panel up. You might have different view, large icons or small icons, so you want to change it to category. Next step, click on Programs. And under Programs and Features, you will have View Installed Updates. Click on the View Installed Updates, and here you will see all the installed updates on your computer. So now that you are checking it, I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always write us a comment and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us to create more video tutorials, you can always press like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.